Hello, welcome back. We're now at the booth of the legendary Ludovic Ballouard. How are you, sir? How are you doing?
Wow, I'm well.
Awesome.
I'm tired.
Tired, huh?
With a crazy watch there.
So tell us, we have two timepieces here. They're very different to each other. What is the first one?
It's upside down with a meteorite dial and with Hindu Arabic numerals. And I designed this for this exhibition.
When did you first present this model with this movement?
With upside down,
Yeah.
15 years ago.
15 years ago. And what's the dial? Is a meteorite?
But this meteorite arrived from Namibia.
And how did you make it red?
I start to coloration for the meteorite 5 years ago.
Yeah.
And we made always a limited edition. We start with a blue, with a green, and it's very complicated for this color because when you have a burgundy or red, in the pigment of color you have oxidation. It's not easy. Yeah, this color.
And the movement. Tell us something about the movement, because it's absolutely unique in the market, huh?
Thank you. Yes, I depose as a unique complication. I depose a patent. So it's the same color for the gold, but it's not gold.
Yeah.
I use only steel and brass for the movement. I don't use silicon, don't use bulb bearing, don't only steel and brass.
Yeah.
For one day, in 10 years, 50 years, all good watchmakers can repair this movement.
This is gorgeous. I love how it works because basically, and I noticed just now because I didn't know this. So the dots are hidden below the bezel. And when the time comes, the dot is below.
When you with a dot, you can read all numerals from the world.
Yeah, exactly. It's beautiful. So every number is upside down except the time that is now.
Exactly, exactly.
The time you need to focus on, right? Awesome. And a very fun piece as well on this side. This is a domino.
Yes, it's a funny piece. It's a variant from half time. We made a limited edition from 12 pieces from Domino.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have a minute retrograde.
Yeah.
This complication is patented too.
And so basically now it's 12 o'clock and now it's gonna be 1. Here we go. It's a very fun way to display time. I like it. And how are the dominoes made?
Painting.
Very cool.
We have a workshop for made with dye.
Yeah.
It's homemade too. And we print, we decalc.
Yeah. It's gorgeous. I like it a lot. And the movement is beautiful as well.
Thank you too.
Different, huh? More complex,
Yes, in
different way. You also use brass on this movement, huh?
Same, only steel and brass. I'm watchmaker.
Exactly,
I like
yeah.
when I can recover watches.
Of course.
When it's not my brand. But now, when you have silicium or bulb, it's impossible.
Or carbon or
manufacture.
Beautiful buckles as well with your brand name.
It's in platinum, case in platinum, and crown is platinum too.
Gorgeous.
Yes, and all watches is handmade on gravel for the back, for the buckle, for the crown. So,
Beautiful.
thank you so much.
Ludovic, always a pleasure to see you. You're always the happiest, smiliest guy in the room, and you also love to dance. It's nice to see you happy all the time.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you for your time.
for coming.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Thank you.
Let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite, guys, the meteorite or the Dominos. Currently, I think I like the Dominos a bit better. And also, don't forget to check out the other Dubai Watch Week videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.